Hey, you're new here, right? I'm Liam.
Yeah, hi, I'm Maya. It's my first week.
Cool. Welcome to Northwood High. It can be a little confusing at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Where's your locker?
I think it's somewhere near the library. I haven't found it yet.
No way. Mine's right by the library. We can walk over together. Do you have Mr. Harrison for English first period?
I do. Are you in that class too?
Yep. He's pretty cool, though he gives a lot of reading. Have you read To Kill a Mockingbird yet? He's obsessed with it.
I actually read it last summer. I loved it.
Seriously? Awesome. We can talk about it later. So, where did you move from?
I just moved from Chicago. It's a big change, but everyone seems really nice here.
Chicago. That's awesome. I've always wanted to go there. Yeah, most people here are pretty chill. Just watch out for, well, I won't name names. You'll figure it out. He winks.
Laughs. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. So, what's the cafeteria food like? I'm starving.
It's an experience. Let's just say the pizza is your safest bet. They have these weird mystery meat things sometimes. We can grab lunch together later if you want.
Definitely. Thanks for helping me find my locker, by the way. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. That's what friends are for. And hey, if you need help with anything else, just let me know. Here's my number. He pulls out his phone and they exchange numbers.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Okay, library locker, here we come.
Let's do it! And prepare yourself for the legendary Northwood High pizza.